Hello there. Here we have the American vowel sounds O, as in go. And also we have the sound in this word like so, snow, hot, tough. And here we have an example with a magic phrase with the same vowel sounds. Oh, a ghost hops for who? Repeat. A ghost hop. Repeat. A ghost hop for a who? Very good. A ghost hop for a who? A ghost hops for a who? Good. Remember, to pronounce these sounds correctly, your jaw, lips, and tongue, you have to focus on the position of. So, as I said you have to focus on the position of your jaw, lips, and tongue. Okay. Let's pronounce. Let's try. O. As you know, the vowel sounds O is a 10 sounds. That's right. Your jaw, lips, and tongue should be tense. Right? Okay. Let's continue. Here, at this position, you have to put your tongue back in order to pronounce better the vowel sound O. O. Here is the position of your lips. You have to. Good. Very good. Okay. Here we have the vowel sounds O in this word. Let's pronounce them. Let's try. Blow, bust, boast, bold, 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 bold. Very good. Repeat after me. Let's repeat again. Blow, bust, bold, 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 bold. Good. Another words, here we have some more words with the same vowel sounds. Oh, bold, 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 board, walk, choose, close, clothes, hot. Okay, now I will use a special symbolic sounds, a special symbolic phonetic sound for this word that we are going to pronounce. And I need you to pronounce this word with the special symbolic sounds O. So let's start. Blow, boat, boat, board, 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 boat. Okay, now repeat after me. Repeat. Blow, boat, boat, board, 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 boat. Yourself. Now, yourself. Very good. Very good. Now, let's continue with this word. Remember to focus in the position of your jaw, lips, and tongue. Alright? Remember, this vowel sounds or is a 10 sounds. That's right. Your jaw, lips, and tongue should be tense. Okay? Okay, let's pronounce. Let's try. Ball. Broke. Shoes. Clothes. Clothes. Coat. Cold. Cost. Okay, let's do it yourself. Come on. No. Repeat after me again. Repeat again. Repeat again. Repeat again, guys. Ball. Broke. Shoes. Clothes. Clothes. Coat. Cold. Cost. Alright? Okay, try again. Repeat. Well done, guys. Well done. Good. Now, remember the rules, right? Remember, do not forget the position of your jaw, lips, and tongue in order to pronounce well this vowel sound, right? Even though you're going to pronounce some consonant sound or vowel sound, you have to know how to you have to focus at the position of your jaw. It's very important, very necessary. The position of the jaw, lips, and tongue, right? Very good. Thank you very much.